What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to talk about how you guys can get your Amazon FBA pictures. So either you can get your pictures from the supplier, which I don't really recommend because they're really not the best, most quality pictures that you can have. But sometimes they are, depending on the supplier, of course. Or you can actually go out and outsource your product pictures on places like Fiverr. So a lot of times people, when they first get in their Amazon FBA product, they don't really know where to get their pictures. They want to have high quality pictures, but they don't really know where to start. Now Fiverr is an awesome place to do that. If you guys don't know, Fiverr is somewhere you can outsource basically anything that you want. And actually there's tons of people on there that do Amazon FBA related pictures. They'll do Photoshop for you. They'll crop out a background. They'll even do descriptions for some of the pictures and stuff that you see in those high quality listings and stuff. So there's a ton of stuff that you guys can do for low cost of money. And literally the other day I was able to get a whole bunch of pictures cropped out and have like a transparent background just for $5. And the reason it's so cheap is because these people on here a lot of them are professionals at it. And the best thing that you can do is go ahead and type in Amazon pictures, and then a whole bunch of people will pop up. The best thing to look for is people that have 4.9 all the way up to 5 star reviews, and have anywhere from over 100 reviews. So the person that I use personally, let me see if I can find him. I use this person right here, 5 stars, 495 reviews, and then there's this guy right here. He has 5 stars and 1K review. So definitely use somebody like this. So yeah, usually what you guys want to do is click on their listing, and then of course when you make your order, depending on what you require, you can go ahead and message them and it'll tell you. You can say proceed with order, and then basically you'll tell them what exactly you want in your picture. So that's the beauty of Fiverr, if you guys didn't know. So a lot of people don't want to go through the hassle of actually ordering their product and sending it off to somebody and having them take the pictures, and then them sending the pictures to you because that might take too long. But yeah, this is the other way to do it if you guys don't have any skills with Photoshop or cropping something out. And the second tool that I actually use, which is very useful for editing your pictures, and it's very easy to use, it's beginner user friendly, is Canva. Now you guys probably know what this is as well. I hope you guys do, because this is an absolutely amazing tool. You can use it in so many different aspects of business, whether it's Amazon FBA, for your YouTube thumbnails, designing your own logo. So it's pretty awesome. If you guys don't know, you can actually go in here and design your own logo using all these shapes and elements on here. If you guys want, you can actually go in here after you design your logo. You can send it over to somebody on Fiverr and have them do a transparent background for you, so it's easier for you to use and for you to put it on your products, so, and give to suppliers in the future. Alright guys, so starting out where I left off, you guys can go in here, create your own element or your own logos and stuff, and it is a free tool and probably one of the best tools out there too. So going on to the next thing, when you guys want to actually do your ebooks, let me go ahead and leave this up here. When you guys want to actually do your ebooks, you can actually go on Fiverr and do that as well. You can go in here and look up ebook writers. When you guys do your ebooks, like I said in a previous video, these are going to be your extra piece of value that goes onto your listing to be able to set your price higher or differentiate your listing. So there's tons of people in here that'll do ebooks for you, whether it's from $5 all the way up to $40, depending on how long you want it. Or you can actually go ahead and create your own ebook, and then put it in a file, and then convert the file to an actual link to put in your jump send when you email the person, which is what I talked about in a previous video. So actually from here, you can go on Google too. So let's say you don't have the pictures that you want for your product. Let's say let's use the pet hair remover example. Now I know a lot of suppliers now, if you go on Alibaba, a lot of them have decent pictures of the pet hair remover. All you have to do, if they don't have a white background on it, go to on Fiverr, have someone do a transparent background for it, and then boom, you'll have that, and you'll be able to edit it however you want in Canva. So go in here. Now a lot of these people, they might have logos on it. You just got to be careful on you know, what pictures that you do use. You can also go on pixabay.com, and all these people, yeah, all these pictures on here are royalty free. I'm not sure if they actually have a pet hair remover, but yeah, they don't have it on here. So you might not be able to find your product on here, but you might be able to find different pictures that you might be able to use in your listing, like a background or maybe a picture for your ebook cover, and be able to get that onto your ebook using Fiverr. So that's just what I want to emphasize in this video, is outsourcing different elements in your listing, so you guys don't have to worry about that too much, because that is something that I worried about a lot when getting into different products. It's like, what am I going to do about getting these pictures for it? You know, who's going to create them for me? You know, are they going to be HD? So yeah, you can go on Google and find these. Just be careful. Make sure they're not branded or anything like that. Make sure they don't have any brands on them. Like this one right here, I've seen this been used multiple times. I'm not sure if that's you know, if a supplier uses it. What you actually do is go on Alibaba.com and see if some of the pictures on there are some of the ones that you find on Google Images, and just use those. So from here, what do we basically do? Let's say we want to use where'd that one go? Let's say we want to use this picture, right? All you have to do is go ahead and download this. But like I said, you just got to be careful about what pictures you use. Go on Amazon, see if other people are using it, see if people have their brand name associated with it. So the safest way to do this is actually use the suppliers, or go to pixabay.com. But like I said, just be careful. I don't honestly recommend you do this. You might be able to use Google Images for you know, pictures not related to your product, like using people in your images, as long as it's not branded, like I said, or has a watermark. So go ahead and save it, and then you can go over to Canva from here and then upload this. Now if you do okay, so I'll show you guys. So okay, so now we have the picture on here, right? So from here, since it is already a white background, we can go ahead and use this image. Now if you want to make it smaller, usually why I say do a transparent image is because you want, why I say you guys should probably do a transparent image is because when you use images, let's say so let's say you want to use this in your image. A lot of these ones, the white space around it will actually take up a lot of space on your image. Like if you're trying to edit this or throw this in there, see what it does. Actually, it covers it up right here. So that's why you want to get a transparent image, so you can have as much room as possible, and so you can throw your images or your logo on like a box or something like that. Just in case you know, your logo hasn't been designed yet, and to actually put branding on your product listing so nobody tries to hijack you. Now the people, they're actually not going to hijack you anyways, because you know your product's going to be different, and you know, you have your own ebook and stuff, so that'll be a great way to differentiate. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to talk about this real quick because this is what I've been using for a long time, and it's an awesome free tool that you guys can get. So yeah, just go to canva.com, create an account, it's free. Go to Pixabay, and just go on Fiverr. Fiverr is just an amazing tool that you guys can use. And honestly, you know, in 2018, with all these different people with a whole bunch of digital skill sets, there's really no reason why you can't use it. It's an awesome tool. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.